for the first time. There's a whole big block, or I don't want this, it's getting ready to snow, I don't want it to sit there and this water tank turn into ice. So the whole initial thing is to try to pull this countertop out, get this water tank going. So I'm just gonna run the extension cord to it. Pray to God there ain't nothing that's gonna happen, and all should be well. And I don't have my drainage system together, so I gotta go ahead and try to put the bucket up underneath here to catch the water as it comes to all this shit. The water pump, and this is the actual switch that would cut it on, but I'm using my socket from out the house, and of course you can plug up your blenders and stuff like that in here. And I took everything apart, water heater, well of course you know I have everything blocked off for the water heater, and oh wow, no, it's working. But there's probably air still in there. Oh, man. Right there. Let go down. They got to get that water out. Probably try to do this thing too. This is the plumbing system underneath here. The thing is, nothing is connected. Probably should take this out right now. Probably put another bucket under here. Thank God, man, something's working in my favor. Gotta open up the valves. Valves gotta get opened up. Nice. This one's working too. The pressure isn't. Yeah, it needs to be higher. This sucks. It's gotta be stronger than that. But everything right now looks like it's working for the most part.